Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It is August 3rd, so welcome to a new month. Anyway, as we see in the market, we have been getting pretty much like a short squeeze. We've been seeing the market move up nicely over the last few days. Since it finally finished all the tests of last week with the GDP and the raising of interest rates and some big earnings and a lot of economic news like that. So it's been holding up and surviving pretty well. The next step that I'm looking for, though, is some sort of pullback. So, okay, let me just start. Big picture, I do think that we are going to eventually probably get up here to the daily 200, the weekly 50, and the monthly 10 SMA. I think that's where we're going. But I think that we're going to need some sort of refresh in between there. Number one, because you see this trend line that I have up here, there are some pretty big levels that are sitting there. Number two, we are at the weekly 21, which is what I consider to be the arch of the foot, and generally there's a pullback somewhere around there. Number three, we have price up here at the daily third ATR, and there's still a bit of a gap here between price and the 8 EMA. There's a gap here between price and the hourly 50. So this thing's just looking like we've had a pretty good time, and it's getting to the point where I would be expecting that something's going to happen some way, somehow, that we're going to get a pullback. Now, maybe we get a little bit of a move up first before a pullback, but I'm not super interested in buying a whole lot of stuff right here. I don't think it's a really great fresh opportunity. But if we get a pullback, maybe to the daily 21, something like that, then I do think that's going to help clear the slate and give us a better opportunity to pick up some longs. So another idea of why I'm thinking that is if we go over to the SOXX, and we look here, we've got some trend lines going on, and notice what the semis have done. They perfectly hit this trend line. So again, they can maybe push a little bit further, but they're kind of getting to a spot where I would rather wait for an opportunity than to keep trying to push and buy up here. All right, everyone, thanks again. Catch you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.